Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim Schwab. First, let's get you logged in. You can access Thinkorswim either through the Schwab website or by downloading the dedicated desktop application. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed for intuitive navigation, helping you quickly find what you need. Now let's explore the core navigation. The Trade tab is your command center for placing orders, whether for stocks, options, or futures. Next, the Monitor tab provides a clear snapshot of your open positions, working orders, and overall account performance. For detailed market insights, head over to the Charts tab, which offers robust charting tools to help you analyze price movements and identify trends effectively. Ready to place a trade? It's straightforward. First, type the ticker symbol of the stock or option you want to trade into the order entry tool. Then, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum or minimum price. Always double-check all the details, including quantity and price, before clicking Confirm and Send to execute your trade. Finally, make Thinkorswim your own. You can customize your workspace by adding or removing gadgets and creating personalized watch lists to track your favorite assets. The platform also offers a wealth of educational resources, including tutorials and articles, to help you deepen your trading knowledge. Should you ever need assistance, remember that dedicated customer support is readily available to answer your questions and guide you through any challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.